Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we will talk about how to set pattern in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to set pattern, so guys you can set it. In this video guys, I will show you how to set pattern. So well, let's see how to set pattern in Vivo phone. So first of all, open your phone setting to set pattern. Then guys, click on security setting. This security setting guys click on screen lock. Guys click on pattern. So I draw any pattern. So example for guys, we will take this Z one guys. Two time guys. So guys, now you can see pattern as set in our Vivo phone guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to set pattern in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching our video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.